Hi everyone. I'm excited to announce that LinePilot is one of the first apps to be integrated with HubSpot's biggest new AI release, Breeze Studio. Breeze agents are AI agents that you can run inside your HubSpot account. But the best thing about them is that they're now customizable using the new Breeze Studio. Here's a quick demo of how it all works together. So we're going to start by going to the Breeze Marketplace. Here you're going to find a lot of pre-built agents that HubSpot have already configured for you. The one we're going to use for this demo is the cross-sell upsell agent. This is really cool. What this does is identifies a prospect and looks in your HubSpot account for similar companies and identifies what products they are selling and what might be relevant for your prospect. So I'm going to add it to my portal and I'll get to this customization screen. Here you'll see what's already been configured as part of this agent. You'll see we've got a prompt to enter the target company, and HubSpot have already pre-written a whole load of information to prompt the agent to go and do the cross-sell actions. But right down here, you've got the tools section. So here you can supply extra instructions and add extra tools. So one of those tools is going to be LinePilot. If you don't know LinePilot already, LinePilot helps you automate your line items. So we've got a bundle of products here that we're going to add to our deal. These bundles can be dynamic. They can use your deal data. They can be conditional, and you can run them over and over again. So I'm going to click Add Tool. And if I've got LinePilot installed, I'll see the Create Line Items using a template option on the sidebar here. I'm going to add it to the agent. That means the agent can now use it. And then I'm going to add some extra instructions right here. So my extra instructions are, if there's no line items on the most recent deal for the target, create line items using the LinePilot template maritime product set. It's as simple as that. So let's just flip over to my HubSpot and you can see that I've got a new prospect here called 10B Marine. It's got a deal and that's got no line items in. So I'm going to go to the test screen and I'm going to select 10B and I'm going to test the agent. The agent's going to start by identifying a list of actions. So you can see here, it's going to run through and find that most recent deal. And then you can see it's worked out that it wants to use LinePilot to add the line items. We'll skip ahead because it takes a little time to run. So you can see it's already worked out the conditions. It's checked that deal to see if there's line items already. It's pulled in the deal ID of the most recent deal that LinePilot needs to run. And it's reported back the information from LinePilot that 3 line items have been created and the deal totals been updated. So that's it. Pretty cool, don't you think? So the really cool thing about agents is that they will troubleshoot themselves. So if they can't find the information, they'll try again and again. And the other thing is that you can configure them just using natural language, which I think is really, really powerful. So LinePilot is free to get started with. So you can try this today. Just make sure you install LinePilot from the HubSpot app marketplace and you can get started right away.